Harrold, what do you think about that?
Well, I'm not intimate enough to know when the revisions were made in the Commonwealth's law to know whether this individual guidance counselor or some of the earlier instances. One thing that came up in the question that I think is very important to keep in mind is it's a mandatory reporting law. That means in some cases, and I've been under mandatory reporting provisions in some of my employment, you have to report things even if you yourself don't think it's true, even if you yourself are not 100% sure whether it is true or whether the child or an individual has a reason to lie. It's a reporting requirement. You have to give the information further up the line to more people with more expertise and let them do their job. So it really is a reporting requirement. It's not just whether an individual hears something and then gets to make a subjective determination. They have to report it up the line.
And we have here for our viewers some of the people that are required to report suspected child abuse, right, under Pennsylvania law include, it's not all inclusive, but it includes school administrators and teachers, doctors, dentists, nurses, hospital staff, members of the clergy, child care or foster care workers, law enforcement officers. And Beth, we now know, or we're hearing, that Penn State, in fact, has changed its policy, right? And it has a new policy in place